come with me and let's get ready. Okay, so when I do my makeup, I always like to put my hair aside, especially since I have bangs and they like to go like this. So look at my clips. I got these from Disneyland back I think in like November 2024. So now that we have this, let's get started. So I already did my skincare, and so after that we're gonna proceed to makeup, of course. So my makeup starts with this one. This is from Hourglass. This is their hydrating skin tint, and I like to do this. So basically I watch this how to apply it on TikTok, and I go like this. I don't know necessarily if I'm doing this right or wrong, but for me, if it works well, it works well, so I'm just doing it. So I like to put it like right there on my cheek, just like that. And I'm gonna put it like this, like this, like this. And then I'm not gonna blend it like immediately. I'm going to put it like a face mask. And I promise you guys, I wash my hands, okay? Like that. And then we're gonna put a little bit on my nose. So just like that, it's like everywhere, and it's slowly melting into my skin. That's how I read it. Like they said it will melt into the skin, so like I'm doing it. And then I proceed with my beauty blender, and then we're just gonna blend it right there. Okay, so there we have that already. And then ever since I was a kid, actually guys, quick story time. Ever since I was a kid, I had like really dark under eyes, and it just got so bad as I was growing up. So I always, when I started doing makeup, I was like just doing concealer, and I was like, bakit hindi natatakpan yung eye bags ko and stuff. And then as I'm like more familiar na sa makeup, I started doing as I was growing up, mas na familiar ako sa makeup. And then I got introduced an orange corrector or a peach corrector. So this one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I got this from like I got this from Thailand, I believe. There, and I'm in the shade medium moyan. Did I pronounce that right? Okay, so I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna like sit there as I let it sink into my finger. And then once I have the product, I'm just gonna apply it right under my under eyes. And then the other eye, of course. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I think first time ko lang mag-Tagalog sa vlogs ko, which is like amazing. Okay, so once it's there, we're just gonna I'm going to put on blush first. So like for some people probably ano siya, concealer, blush, like me, it's blush then concealer. So my blush, it's from okay, so after this, we're just gonna like let it sit there. And for some people, ano siya, it goes like concealer then blush, but for me it's the opposite. Blush then concealer. So my favorite blush, this one, is from Nude Sticks, and I'm in the shade Peach Pearl. I'm gonna show you guys. So it looks like this, like that white thing is like a highlighter in the middle. So okay, so like what brush I'm using is this one. It's from Happy Skin, their cream cheek blush. So I like to put in like this, like just that. And then guys, napapansin ko kasi nung first time ko lang mag-start mag-makeup, the blush placements will always be like this, like that. Ganun yung nakikita ko lagi. So akala ko ganun lang, but no, I'm very much aware that I have a round face. So therefore, yung blush placement ko, it goes here, or it can go here too. But like I like to put my here. So I'm gonna get a mirror really quick, and then I'm gonna try to apply it and show it to you guys how I apply it. So I have the product, and then we're just gonna This is actually very pigmented, and yeah. Let's do this. Let's keep on blending, guys. Trust me. Trust. Actually, don't. Okay, wait lang. Ganito kasi yun, guys. I have black blindness, and promise you guys, di ako lumalabas ng ganito yung cheeks ko. So what I do is, I do this. Since yung beauty blender ko, it has skin tint, I like to blend it like that. Kasi nasa tamang placement na siya, guys. So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna blend it furthermore. Yikes. Later, guys, everything will die down. So, next step. The concealer. This step is very important for me, guys. I have to make sure that my peach corrector is still there. Let me apply a little bit more. Line it and everything else. Okay, so this is the Hourglass concealer. And I'm in the shade, Fawn. Okay, yeah, that's my shade. So my blush, oh sorry, wrong. So where I put my concealer, of course, my under eyes, then here, 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 here. Let's get to blending. Let's go. This is going to be such a random announcement, but probably for my next vlog, it's going to be something very different. Something I've never done before, like off cam or like on cam. And it's going to be, I'm probably going to be doing it in BGC. I promise. It's so weird, I swear. But just watch it, guys. I hope that you will watch it. So, let's do this. So while I have that, we're going to proceed to the next step while we let it marinate. So for my next step is, I have this one. It's from She Glam. And I'm in the shade Hazelnut Latte. So this is how it looks. I like to put it here and then here. There's the 3 dots there and then here. Just like that. I love this. This is so creamy, honestly. Like, it's so creamy. And we're just gonna blend it. It adds like some warmth to your face because you don't want to walk out like a white lady. You know, you still want to have that natural touch. Here's the thing about me, guys. I've always loved makeup, and my favorite part of makeup is yung blush. But at the same time, blush yung pinaka-mahirap na step for me. I don't know why. Some people say like it's so easy. I tell that to my sister, Annika. She say it's so easy. But then pagdating sa akin, I just don't get it, guys. Like, minsan sobrang pigmented, or minsan like it's just not there, and then it disappears so fast, and I'm like, how do I do this? Okay, anyways, next step. After we blend that, we're going to finally blend the concealer, because if you also let it stay for too long, it might leave a mark and not gonna look good. So let's blend. I'll just focus like that, and this time actually I use a brush. This is from MAC. Here we go. Then before we proceed to powder, we're going to blend everything. Make sure that nothing's like unblended. Let's go. So my powder, it's this one. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury again. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder, and I'm in the shade 2 medium, like shade 2. So here, And I have this puff. It's from She Glam. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna put a little on my hand, and then I go with the under eyes. So we're gonna do that. My forehead is always the oiliest part, so like I take powder there very seriously. Just put it there, just put it there. Joke, I'm not that aggressive, don't worry. Okay, so after the powder, after like the liquid, we're gonna proceed with the powder steps now. Wait, let's take a look first. Okay, good. So so the first step I will do is I will get this brush, and it's from Real Techniques. I have here my Hourglass makeup palette, and I like to go with this one, this brown one, and then we're just gonna do this, and then we're gonna put some hue on my eyelids. I also like to put a little bit here because I saw that it gives warmth to your eyes. Does it though? Then on my nose, I'm not very good with nose contour, guys, so I just do it from here and then here. Perfect. Is it obvious on camera? But like, look. I don't know if it's obvious on camera, but I put some brown eyeshadow here and on my nose. Like, it's contour, guys. It's hot. Yeah. Next, we're going to proceed with the powder blush. And over here, I have the Dior brush. There's a difference between a cream blush and a powder blush, so you have to check that out. So anyways, for my powder blush, I like to use this one. This is from Dior. And this is in the shade Rosewood. I love this one. I love this one a lot. So, I just put it and then like that. And then I like to follow where my blush already is, and I just don't go like that. Where my blush is, I will follow. And maybe a little bit here. And here. Amazing. Just like that. Because blush blinders is not the best. Trust. And then for the next step is I take this part very seriously, because if I fail this part, my whole makeup might become to get my eyelash curler, and then my favorite mascara of all time. This is from Bare & Bliss, and this is the Roll to Volume mascara. I love this one so much. Like, it's also very waterproof. My favorite mascara. This was recommended to me by my friend, and then I never went back, and I never changed mascaras. Love it. Okay, so let's curl my lashes. So I like to start from here, and then I make sure I'm just right there. Don't we curl? Look. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Yes. Exactly what I needed. Then let's put on some mascara. I'm gonna like use a mirror for this one, so hold on. Okay, so I already put the mascara like that.
Yeah.
And then let's go to the other side. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so are you guys seeing that difference? Like from I put this to this. Amazing. Amazing. I told you guys, this is my favorite step. It's my favorite step for a reason. And we're gonna apply a little bit more blush. Let me just do that real quick. And a little bit more powder. Anyways, for the next step, we're almost done, by the way. I have this one. It's from Benefit. This is their 24-hour brow setter. my eyes are like thick already, and I like to get them like threads, like thread. Anyways, we're gonna proceed to the next step. I have a lot of steps in my makeup. So this one, it's from wait, I don't know how I pronounce that, guys. I'm just gonna put it here in the screen. Here. So this is like eyeliner. It's like
Hi, guys, we play
pencil. Yes. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So here's the thing, guys. I've never really been good with makeup. It just takes practice, and you know, you just gotta practice too, so you do well. And for the last and final step, we're gonna do the lipstick, or this isn't really lipstick, so I'll just call it lippy. So over here I have the She Glam. This is their soft haze lip blur in the shade Think Twice. So let's apply it. Look at that. I love that color, guys. And this one, it goes from like from matte finish. It's a matte finish. And here's, oh wait, I'm not finally done. Hold on. We can't see that yet. Hold on. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter from this palette, just these two. We're just gonna put it here. And then finally, here's the final look. I'll be right back. So that's all for my whole makeup look, this whole get ready with me vlog, and I hope that you enjoyed. I'm going to put the products below, or like I might just put the on screen. I don't know. So anyways, here's the final look. I love it. This is my everyday makeup look. We're just gonna put a little bit of this. Oops, I forgot to blush. Blindness. Whoopsie doopsie. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys will subscribe, of course, and watch my upcoming vlog, guys. I can't even describe how weird it is. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.